Okay, in this video you're going to learn how to construct a square inscribed in a circle. So we all know what a square is. It's just a four-sided shape. All sides are equal and all four angles are right angles. And it's inscribed in a circle, meaning that all four of those right angles have to have vertices on the circle. So to do this, the first step, what we need to do is draw a circle. So we're going to make a point, and I'm going to call my circle circle O, but you can call it whatever you want. And then we're just going to draw a quick circle here. So let's draw our circle. Put your center on O, and then just pick a point to draw your circle. Okay, so now we have our circle. And what our next step is going to be is we're going to draw a diameter of the circle. So I'm going to draw a line that starts on the circle, goes through our center of a circle, point O, and then ends on another point on the circle. And that's what a diameter is. A line that crosses through the center of the circle and has endpoints on parts of the circle. So there we go. I'm going to call these points A, and I'm going to call this point of intersection C. So I've successfully drawn a diameter of the circle. And so now what I want to do, because I know a square has diagonals that bisect each other and that also form right angles, is I'm going to take this diameter and I'm going to make a perpendicular bisector of this diameter. So to draw a perpendicular bisector, you just put your center on one end of the line, and then you draw an arc like that. So just make sure it's a little bit past the center. You draw an arc like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use that same hole. Pencil stays in the same hole, but you're going to take your center and put it on the other end of that line. So in this case, point C, and you're going to draw another arc. So what you want, and I almost missed it, but what we want is your two arcs to intersect. So my two arcs intersect right here and right there. So with that point of intersection, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that goes through the center of the circle and these 2 points of intersection. Now when we draw this line, we want it to hit actually on the circle. So we're basically drawing another diameter of the circle. So we draw that diameter. And then what should happen there is we've constructed now a perpendicular bisector. So this is a right angle here, and it bisects points CO and AC there. So we have two congruent parts there as well. So now what we're going to look at is, if you look, now we have 2 points on the circle, and I'm going to call that point B. And I'm going to call this point D. So now each of these points, these are going to be our 4 points for our circle. So all I need to do, for the square. So all we need to do is connect up those 4 points. So A to B, B to C, C to D, and A to D. So if you look at what we have now, we now have a square where all 4 sides here are congruent to each other, and all those angles are going to be right angles. So we have a square inscribed in a circle.